on a dress up, on a glue up for the one here. Auntie Donna, aka One Planka Bass, presents Planka Nation Shades of Pink Brunch, Sunday, October 27, 12 noon to 5 p.m. Right down on one part over Chateau Mar Golf Resort, 3501 Inverary Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 333-199. Admission, $150 plus tax. And live entertainment by Sons of Marcia Jazz Group and C-Roy the Entertainer. Put on the dancing shoes and come boogie with us boogie. So, on a book that date here, set that time here. Ladies, roll out in on a nice pretty pink dandan and fandangles. Gentlemen, a touch of pink will do. On a don't come out looking like a Pepto-Bismol, you know. So, roll out the whole on a gingeration. All young, middle-aged, sickly, and lazy. If them bed bound, roll them out. And if them wheelchair bound, roll them out for your day full of fun, excitement, laughter, and festivity. Make sure someone take on a wash out from early for food galore, appetizers, main course, desserts, and beverages. Number to call is 954-534-4852. 954-534-4852. Tickets are available at www.worldwindlive.net. Oh, wait, pan. On an already yet. Embassy, fly the gate, free me up. Florida, me a come. Welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Gina. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, wagwan, honor do. Happy Saturday, happy Sabbath to all Sabbath keepers. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Alright, bless up, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to get down in the video now. Hey, my loves, I don't see how people's, before I go in there, wait there, I'm whisper. I don't want nobody hear this. One somebody may I whisper this too. Pastor, are you in my comments? Pastor, me see somebody in my comment, you see? With your name, with one name like for you. Dr. Sean Miller, yes, Pastor. My sis somebody in there with one name like for you. Are you Pastor? Or know you? Pastor, make me know if I you. Person, make me know if I you. You understand me, Mr. Sir? Make me know if I you. I don't know, Mr. Pastor, sir, if I you. Between me and you, Mr. Pastor, sir, I don't tell nobody nothing. You say when me and Agnes, I go to the people them yard, Mr. Pastor, sir. We are going to call you, and the three will go hand in hand. The three with Mr. Pastor shall go hand in hand like the Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. Me, you, and Agnes, because we want company, you know, Mr. Sir. Because you me and Agnes are two women. Anything can reach you when we are the people them yard are fast in them business. You understand me, Mr. Pastor, sir? Yes, sir. Pastor, if I you, just wink one of your eye. When you're upon your life, I go come over there, and you wink one of your eye and make me know if I you. And not until a soul nothing passing between me, you, and Agnes. You understand me? Yes, my loves, my back. Yeah, my back. I just want little, my little something. I try to clarify. I don't want to hear between me and an individual. Yes, my loves. No. So as I was saying, no, my dear children, I say, I don't see how people unfair. I don't see how people unfair. No, my loves. My dear loves, no. After this woman, well, I come out here. And me talk about this woman tiefing charity or scamming charity, and the pastor $1,000 where she thief. The pastor tell her to give to the lady, and she no want give to the lady. She find all kind of way where she go do it. That means she thief it. Yes, and the pastor $1,000 where she thief, and the lady at Portland where she send message to say she go up there, go box down, stall and kick down, and you know, yeah, with her old feeble self and her weak bones them. I crystallize bones them, but she ha go box down, but up she too. Anyways, no loves. Anyways, some over my like a platform here, so I may talk about it. Then I don't know if I somebody send her over here or she a pass her seat and decide to stop. No, my love, the tap where she tap, you understand me. She listen and she go on her platform and she never make fun with me on her platform, my loves. She never make fun with me. Imagine hours and night, me dear children. Me not even listen out the whole of the video, you know. I don't listen out the whole life. But hours and night, me and my Mr. Sir well cuddle up in here. Well cuddle up, foot fling over power, one another fast asleep. Only if you wake up in the early morning and see matches pa about phone say Curly over there pa me. Me say me go look. And me say, alright Curly, I come in. Curly, I come in. Cause you know when me come in, you know Curly, I come in. You understand? When I am coming. I'ma tell you when you go come out, you go make up things and cuss me and tell I go and cuss me. I know how to cuss you with the truth. I know how to ruffle your feathers. I know how to go up under your thin skin. Under your saggy skin. Yeah, your skin saggy like boiled ramen noodle. I know how to go up under your skin without no whole heap of efforts. Simple thing for wiggle up under your skin. Mr. Curly, Uncle Curly, sir. All scammer, all thief, all pickpocket, all smuggler, all thief. What get my call? Cause I love laugh after you, no boy. Boy, girl, Curly. Mr. Boy, girl, I love laugh after you. Personally, me not have a problem if they want to go on them platform, go cuss me when me chat about them, you know. But you see the moment you go, when me no go, me I go come. And they see my work is done, Curly. I was successful. I succeeded because I realized that the things they want me tell you, it burn you, it bite you, it connect like Wi-Fi signal. When you come and cuss me and tell me that, me don't feel no way. Me don't feel a way, Curly. Cause you go come tell me about up under me, all about palm me master and how father F me and you know them only for something there. But you see with you now with the father F-ing part, me have to see with you, you know, because you are a product of incest. You are a product of incest because your mother, father frig her and bring forth you. That's why you turn handicap, birth defect as a result of incest. And because your tribe, your generation is so messed up, your father frig you and you bring forth another parasite out here, another pestilent to society. Yeah, so you want to come out here and tell people the things them and when people tell you back, you go tell lie. You go tell lies. Well, guess what? Me not back down from you, my love. And me not afraid of you. And anything you come out, you can't tell me, I go whap it back on you. Because you did come out, you can't say it already, and I never respond. You come out, you can't talk, oh, my father, they with me. Me don't even know father. I don't even know father. So if you and your family, them then I jump on one another like a honey goat, then you couldn't come tell me that. You want to go like you want bully and cow down everybody. I know so work out here, my dear. I know so work out here. Me know exactly what to do for name out your heartstring. One of the part when I realize I sting your cacawola. I want me tell Mr. God to drown your boy's sperm. For raise the boy's sperm, Mr. God. Make the boy's sperm stagnant like him mama. Don't make the little swim around them go fertilize no egg. Give them wrong map, Mr. God. So when them head to the ovaries, them last. Yeah, you burn you. That's why I say it again. Come here, say it to you, burn you again. No more your generation now for come out here. We're tired of now. Come out here, breathe. Come out here, breathe. You think when you come out here, hackle up your kin and agitate up yourself and reel up like a bull cow. You think I feel me heart a flatter? You think I feel me heart a run left me? You think I feel me heart a get up well left me? You think say my heart a go enlarge and bust pow like a clappers out here? I feel and not for me. Not mine, my love, because you can't get me. If you come out here, come galang so baba. No, not in this life. Laugh me a laugh for you, boo. Laugh me a laugh for your Uncle Curly. You don't see out here name your condemnation. You out here name your own filth. Uncle Marcia never bless.
Scamma them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there.
Master Uncle Marcia. Yes, a careless, workless, low down, dirty piece of trash. You know see your own enemy out here. You are condemn your own self. You gotta see your own enemy out here. I know we are your enemy, mama. You are your own enemy. You understand? You want to lock down somebody. I want to catch you and lock you up in a one cage with limited amount of air and limited amount of space. Make you just stay there and slowly suffocate. Make you go back to your maker. Go factory reset. You don't deserve to be around human. You don't deserve to be around human. Curly, if you ain't on one more day, now your mama you would have been with 4 foot and tail. All thief. Damn criminal. I want to catch you ugly pat to your man and fling her in the darkest dungeon and dash with the key. You not do no tiefing charity out here. We're going to ride you till you're back home. No tiefing charity you not do out here. All of what you do to the woman at 99, it shall return to you out here. No tiefing charity. You not get nothing. Go walk. You not thief nobody else out here like a chopper. Puss! You look a puss, we are going to call you Dry River. What we call her, my love, Dry River or Coco? No, we don't call her no Coco. We are going to call her Dry River, she a puss. Like mama, like picnic, chip no fly far from black. Me not cuss you today, Curly. Me not in a cussing mood. Me not in a cussing mood, but not cuss you. But you come back yesterday, come say you will be back. You're coming back. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Right now, I sit down and watch you slowly deteriorating. But guess what? Nobody now have to do you nothing because you already do it to yourself. You know, see I live like stray dog. All monkey. Monkey sperm in you. Monkey spirit aunt you. Mr. Curly, listen here. This one is dedicated to you, Uncle Curly. Listen here.
Dog, scamma them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Dog, scamma them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there.
Yeah, Curly, you are anthem that. You know, something that in the mood for cuss with you. But don't in a mood for cuss with you. Come and see your problem, you know. I know what your problem is. Curly, you have a serious problem. The problem with you is not with social media. You are your problem, my love. You fight a major battle with yourself. One thing when you're in a battlements with people, you know. But it's another thing when you're battle with yourself. You are yourself at war. You need to make peace with yourself, Mr. Curly. Stop blaming people out here for your own failures, your own downfall. The success of others remind you of what you wanted to become, but you fail yourself. So you're blaming others. Right now, yourself have you under a piece of punishment. Yourself have you under a piece of punishment. So you come out here, take out your frustration by other people. Oh girl, I know we are the problem. We are not the fault. Yeah, damaged goods. And you need to find a way how to cope with your emotional distress. So my dear brother Marcia, my dear brother, if you know what's good for you, go find the right support or the right treatment to deal with whatever underlying issues where you have with yourself. Make you have to be this hateful, this bitter. Stop being a slave to your own emotions. Liberate yourself, free up yourself. I'm not talk free up yourself in the way how you are free up now. Let go off of the jealousy, let go off of the bad mind, let go off of the enviousness, let go off of the hate. Free your mind. All of them the way you carry up in you a load, a burden. Mr. Curly, you know say between me and you, yourself not like you. You know that? And not just people alone out here not like you, you know your own self not like you. Bad to bad, one time me could have tolerated, but me don't like you, I don't like you. I don't like a bone in you. My spirit not take you again. You become your own enemy by betraying yourself. You betray yourself when you pretend to be somebody that you are not. Lying to yourself and not respecting yourself. And until you try to fix back yourself and try be a better version of you, then my love yourself now forgive you. Yourself now go forgive you. I'm sorry for you. Thank God me and myself good. Cause I don't know how me would I live. How me would I survive if me have to go to bed with myself. Wake up with myself. That mean me I sleep with the enemy. Me I wake with the enemy. No sir. Girl, you got it bad. Let me keep on a call you girl. I forgot to say you're a girl boy, so you can't be either both. But boy, girl, you got it bad. Sleeping with your enemy, waking up with your enemy. One of the worst things when you find out, say, your enemy is your own self. No, man. Listen, Mr. Curly. Mr. Curly, listening to you, you know, listening to you when you talk, we can't actually figure out your type of upbringing. You understand? And the way how you grow up, it shape you in the type of person that you are now. But mama, it's not a life no, papa. But papa, it is not a life sentence, you know. So just because you had negative experience when you grew up, no means you have to hold on to it. No means you have to continue hanging on to it like a cliffhanger. Work on your self-esteem, goodie. You spend too much time focusing on negative things when I work out for you in a life. Just go work on your self-esteem, goodie. Start believe more in yourself. Let go. Go heal. Make peace with yourself. So that things can work out better for you. Alright, so me not bother in a mood for Tracy. Me did kinda in it this morning, but me feel sorry for you. Me have too much pity right now for come back on Tracy. Me can't bother. Me don't have all of them the energy there for waste on the likes of you. You understand me? I don't have so much precious time for waste on the likes of you, brother Curly. So anyways, my love, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Bless upon yourself. Do enjoy the rest of the day, and I will see you all in another video. Peace out. Much love. Much respect later. Una ready for that one, yeah? Una ready? Alright, ready, set, glow! All of the divas, dance and dollies, on a dress up, on a glow up for that one, yeah? Auntie Donna, aka One Planka Boss, presents Planka Nation Shades of Pink Brunch, Sunday, October 27, 12 noon to 5 p.m. Right down on one part over Chateau Mar Golf Resort, 3501 Inverary Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 333-199. Admission, $150 plus tax, and the live entertainment by Sons of Marcia Jazz Group and C-Roy the Entertainer. Put on the dancing shoes and come boogie with us boogie. So, una book that date, yeah. Set that time, yeah. Ladies, roll out in a nice pretty pink dandan and fandangles. Gentlemen, a touch of pink will do. Una don't come out looking like no Pepto-Bismol, you know. So, roll out the whole on the gingeration. All young, middle-aged, sickly, and lazy. If them bed bound, roll them out. And if them wheelchair bound, roll them out for your day full of fun, excitement, laughter, and festivity. Make sure someone take on a wash out from early for food galore, appetizers, main course, desserts, and beverages. Number to call is 954-534-4852. 954-534-4852. Tickets are available at www.worldwindlive.net. Oh, wait, pan. We're not ready yet.